This is the second video in the CEC series. In it, I will attempt to prove that quote-unquote back to nature doctrines will not lead to continuous survival. There are plenty of those ideologies. To name a few: primitivism, transcendentalism, deep ecology, back to the land, eco-anarchism, and I'm sure there are more. Essentially, each one of them argues that technology will bring about the demise of human race. That in order to survive, we must abandon all technological progress and return to nature in one form or another. These theories, like many other utopian visions, have a substantial following. This is because many people struggle to compete in the modern world and seek belonging in groups that promise paradise. But such ideas are clearly unrealistic, because the core requirement for this kind of existence is that all people behave like angels or robots, and no external threats exist. It is similar to the promise of communism, which fails repeatedly due to human nature and presence of external competing forces. However, for the sake of argument, let's imagine that by some miracle, everyone become highly conscientious and non-competitive, allowing humanity to live in perfect harmony with nature. The problem is that our planet does not exist in isolation. It still resides in the real universe, and sooner or later, the universe will throw something nasty our way. Be it another ice age, a massive flood, a meteorite, or something else entirely. If we are technologically advanced, there is a chance we could survive such a cosmic scale catastrophe, whether by defending ourselves, adapting, or even relocating to another planet. But if we are not technologically advanced, that would be the end of us. We would follow the fate of the dinosaurs. So, in conclusion, we must continue to evolve technologically if we want even the slightest chance at long-term survival.